I'm going to unbox a brand new Dell Latitude 5300 2-in-1. This laptop has 256 gig SSD storage, 8 gig RAM. It has touch screen, keyboard light, and a Face ID. Come on guys, let's unbox it. This is the charger for the laptop. This is the laptop. It has a keyboard light, a touch screen, and a Face ID. You can use this S360. You can use it as a tablet, and also you can use it as a laptop. It has a HDMI port, Type-C port, one USB port here, and one USB port. This laptop is Intel Core i5 8th generation. The processor speed is 1.9 GHz processor speed. So let me on it, guys.